You're watching The Travel Fam, a family of four that loves exploring on our own terms. We're back from our vacation in Sicily where we took a cooking class and we thought, we're home now, let's try and make that wonderful Sicilian tiramisu that we made over there in Catania. Can we remember it all? I'm not sure, but let's see how we get on. We're here, we're home, we're going to try everything we've learned, but at home, which scares me because I don't know if we'll do it. So we're going to make tiramisu. Let's see if we can remember everything. And she wants to crack an egg on my head. No, definitely not. Please no. Ah, no! Okay, so we're starting off with, we remember this. We used mascarpone first. Oh my goodness. Mascarpone, oh gosh.
Why is it so sick?
2 of these, we need 500 grams of mascarpone. We remember this in the bowl.
Can I crack an egg? I'm just going to do some ASMR. I'm doing ASMR.
Okay, right. We put the cheese in, crack some eggs. This is meant to show what we've come back as great chefs. What? No, we need 2 eggs. It's 1 egg for every 250 grams. I remember him saying that. Thanks, Maurizio, we remember that. Next one. Okay, next.
This is horrible, Olivia.
Oh, you got shell in there.
That's why I said it was horrible.
See the shell. I don't know what he did then. Did he mix it together? Okay, they get eggs. Maybe did he whisk it a bit first?
I don't think he did actually.
I think he did. We don't have a food processor mixer thing.
You got me wet! You're getting me wet again! So the video stopped!
But you need to tilt it down. We mixed together the mascarpone and 2 eggs at the minute. We're now going to add the sugar. I can't remember how much sugar he added. I think it's only like a couple of teaspoons. Let's try.
Useless!
Try, do 2 big spoons. That's it. 1, 2. I think add 3, just to be certain.
Just like that?
Yeah, that'll do. Some honey.
Oh, no.
We've got some honey, yeah. Now, I remember they said a teaspoon of honey, which they did, but then they made us add more. Get that in there. Loads of honey. And then we need to add some alcohol. They used masala wine, but we're just gonna use some amaretto because we prefer it. We don't know how much to add. I feel like they added like a shot. We don't have any shot glasses. Let's get a wine glass.
Put a bit in.
And just put a bit in the bottom.
There's 2 more.
No, I think that's probably about right. Okay, we're gonna try again with a bit of mixing. Okay.
That looks too liquidy.
It's very runny.
Yeah, I told you I added too much liquid.
Taste. Taste it. Do you think there's enough alcohol in it? I dripped it on the top. What do you think?
I don't taste it.
More alcohol?
I mean, it's already really good.
Maybe the cheese will go hard again when it goes in the fridge. Is there an ingredient we're missing that was on the video?
Pistachio.
It was that, wasn't it? Pistachio cream. This is pistachio cream that we brought back from Sicily. I don't think this is going to thicken it though, is it?
No, but it's still what we added and it tasted good.
That tastes nice. Is it sweet enough? We're putting more sugar in. Well, it's definitely runnier than what he had. It's really runny. Should we just pour it all over her? We've done that and we're going to move on to coffee stuff. Is it strong enough?
No.
You don't think it's strong enough? Okay, this is our bowl that we're going to use.
Who are you talking to? Who is this?
The people at home who bothered to watch us learning to cook and now seeing us mess it up. Sponge fingers.
Dip them in.
Get dipping. We've done the first bottom level of the sponge fingers. Thanks to the fish slice, and we're gonna pour in. I don't think he poured it, but we can pour it because ours is so blooming running.
Spatula.
Okay. Maybe more. Ooh, bit, so it might be alright. Look at that. Never mind me, look at that beauty. Started good. That's good though, the stuff is good. Quite a lot of booze in that.
Professional filming skills right here from me. I'm a dunker, man. You're being mean. At dunking fingers. Yeah.
So it's just floaters in the coffee, but the floaters is just where the biscuits we left in too long.
There's a fly in it.
Oh god. There is an actual fly. Just don't tell anyone.
Just shake it off a bit, you know. I don't know what I'm doing, Matthew.
It's getting really tense, this cooking tiramisu. We're trying, but we're failing, I think. No, we're not failing. Okay, so that's the second layer pretty much done. And we're now gonna put the next layer of the mascarpone stuff. It's all going in there. Okay, get it spreaded now.
Oh, this is a new angle.
Spread it neatly. That's it, it's all ready. It's ready, but before we add the cocoa, we're gonna add our own special indulgent ingredient and try and put some whipped cream on top just to make it an extra special English twist on a Sicilian tiramisu. We're gonna add the cream. Brave, probably wrong. Lots of people screaming at us from Sicily going, no, what are you doing? This bit's kind of scary. Oh, no, you just, that's it. Well done. That's fine. Are we happy? Happy with that? Although we've added a British twist, we're now gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna leave it for at least 20 minutes, at least. Maybe it'll probably be an hour or two to really set, and then we're gonna taste it. Okay, this is the taste test. The question is, can we make a tiramisu as good as what we learned to make in Sicily? Here we go.
I'm scared.
Let's find out. This is it. Don't be scared. Good? Okay, now, is it better than the one we made in Sicily? Or is it the same? We've achieved it. Kids, we did it. We learned to cook in Sicily, and now we've done it at home. What are we saying, Daphne? What are we saying? We are happy. Okay, so I've come on the camera to show you that I'm eating my own tiramisu. And the amazing thing is, this might be the best tiramisu I've ever eaten, and I just made it myself. Mind-blowing! If you like this, then please subscribe for more travel fam content. Thank you.